From game-changing storage solutions to high-tech upgrades, there are incredible inventions that can take your truck to the next level. In this video, we're diving into the coolest, most useful pickup truck gadgets and accessories that you need to know about. Whether you're a weekend warrior, an off-road adventurer, or just someone who loves a well-equipped ride, these inventions will blow your mind. Let's check them out. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. More than 200,000 crashes involved debris on U.S. roadways during the previous 4 years, resulting in approximately 39,000 injuries and more than 500 deaths. AAA is calling for drivers to properly secure their loads to prevent dangerous debris. BedLock Cargo Solutions was born from a fearful and dangerous situation. The BedLock system is a modular, adjustable, and removable truck bed liner designed to enhance cargo organization and security. This system features adjustable divider walls, allowing users to customize their truck bed storage based on their needs. The liner can be easily installed or removed, providing flexibility based on load requirements. Users can reposition dividers to create custom-sized compartments, keeping cargo secure and organized. Helps prevent cargo from shifting during transit. Designed for a tool-free setup for convenience and quick adjustments. The Busy Dumper Long Bed Dump Insert is a heavy-duty dump bed conversion designed to transform a standard long bed pickup truck into a versatile dump truck. It's perfect for contractors, landscapers, farmers, and anyone who frequently hauls heavy materials like gravel, dirt, mulch, or debris. Uses a powerful hydraulic lift to tilt the bed, making unloading fast and effortless. Designed specifically for long bed pickup trucks, maximizing cargo capacity. Can be mounted onto most full-size truck beds with minimal modifications. Supports thousands of pounds of materials, depending on the truck's payload rating. Quickly offloads materials without the need for manual shoveling. Turns a standard pickup into a mini dump truck, perfect for professional and DIY projects. Great for landscaping, construction, farming, and waste removal. The Aero X truck cap is a sleek, aerodynamic truck bed cover designed to enhance both style and functionality for pickup truck owners. Unlike traditional camper shells or tonneau covers, the Aero X stands out with its futuristic, low-profile design, making it ideal for truck owners looking to improve fuel efficiency, cargo security, and overall aesthetics. Reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency compared to traditional truck caps. Features a curved, streamlined design that gives your truck a futuristic appearance. Protects cargo from rain, snow, dust, and theft with a lockable and sealed design. Designed to fit most full-size and mid-size trucks with a hassle-free mounting system. Ideal for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday truck owners who need a secure storage solution. Perfect for truck owners who want to stand out while maximizing utility. Smoke racks for trucks are specialized exhaust stack systems commonly found on semi-trucks, heavy-duty pickups, and diesel rigs. These vertical exhaust pipes, often mounted behind the cab, redirect engine emissions upward instead of releasing them at ground level, improving both performance and style. Directs exhaust fumes away from the cab and cargo for a cleaner ride. Made from stainless steel, chrome, or powder-coated aluminum for longevity. Enhances engine efficiency and airflow, which can improve horsepower and torque. Adds a bold, aggressive aesthetic, often seen on show trucks and off-road builds. Whether for functionality or pure style, smoke racks are a signature upgrade for diesel-powered rigs and heavy-duty trucks. The C5 Manufacturing Rancher Bale Bed is a heavy-duty flatbed designed specifically for ranchers and farmers who need an efficient way to haul, load, and unload hay bales. Built for durability and ease of use, this bale bed features hydraulically powered arms that allow a single operator to pick up, transport, and unroll bales with ease, eliminating the need for a tractor or additional equipment. The dual arms lift and secure large round bales with precision, making loading and unloading effortless. Designed to tow trailers while still providing full access to the bed. Reduces the need for extra manpower or equipment, making bale handling a one-person job. Can be used for hay bales, feed, firewood, fencing materials, and more. The C5 Manufacturing Rancher Bale Bed is a game-changer for those who need a rugged, versatile, and highly efficient bale handling solution. The Marlon XPLORE 2 SXS deck is a heavy-duty truck deck designed to transport side-by-sides, ATVs, and other off-road vehicles securely and efficiently. Built with durability and convenience in mind, this deck allows adventurers to haul their SXS on a full-size pickup truck while still towing a trailer or camper. Designed to fit short, standard, and long bed trucks, making it a versatile option for most truck owners. The deck is expandable to fit various SXS models, ensuring a secure and snug fit. Comes with telescoping ramps that make loading and unloading quick and effortless. Leaves your trucks hitch-free for towing a trailer, camper, or additional gear. Whether you're hitting the trails, dunes, or mountains, this deck is designed for extreme adventures. This deck is a must-have for anyone looking to transport their side-by-side efficiently while maximizing truck utility. The BoxTamer is a modular truck bed organization system designed to maximize cargo space, prevent load shifting, and enhance accessibility. Whether you're a contractor, adventurer, or everyday truck owner, the BoxTamer keeps your gear, tools, and cargo secure and neatly arranged. The system features removable and adjustable divider panels, allowing you to create custom storage sections in your truck bed. No drilling required. The BoxTamer uses a secure clamping system, making it easy to install and remove when needed. Keeps cargo from sliding around, reducing damage to tools, gear, and equipment during transit. The BoxTamer is the perfect solution for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday truck users who want a cleaner, more organized truck bed without sacrificing space or convenience. The TANGO Pickup Truck Transformation System is a revolutionary modular truck bed system designed to maximize functionality, storage, and versatility. Whether you're using your pickup for work, adventure, or everyday tasks, the TANGO system allows you to customize your truck bed setup to meet your needs. The TANGO system is built with interchangeable components, allowing users to switch between cargo management, worksite setup, and recreational storage in minutes. The system is tool-free, enabling fast attachment and removal of storage units, racks, and accessories. The system includes lockable storage boxes, slide-out trays, and mounting points for additional accessories. Can be used for contractors, campers, overlanders, and general truck owners who need adaptable storage. The XG Cargo Mounted Sports Bar Storage System is an innovative storage solution designed to maximize cargo space in Jeep Wranglers, Gladiators, and other off-road vehicles. It provides secure, accessible, and durable storage for tools, gear, and adventure essentials while utilizing the existing sports bar structure of your vehicle. The storage system attaches directly to the roll bar, keeping your gear secure and out of the way while leaving room for passengers and cargo. Equipped with large, zippered pockets, mall webbing, and interior dividers, allowing for organized storage of tools, recovery gear, and essentials. Designed for easy attachment with adjustable straps and buckles, ensuring a firm hold without drilling or permanent modifications. Ideal for Jeep owners, overlanders, and outdoor enthusiasts. The black Armour bed mats are premium, heavy-duty truck bed mats designed to provide maximum protection, durability, and impact resistance for your truck bed. Made from 100% recycled vulcanized rubber, these mats are built to withstand extreme conditions, making them an excellent choice for truck owners who regularly haul heavy cargo, tools, or equipment. Made from half-an-inch thick vulcanized rubber, offering superior impact resistance and protection against dents, scratches, and abrasions. The high-traction design helps prevent cargo from shifting during transport, reducing the risk of damage. Simply hose it down or wipe it clean, making it low maintenance and hassle-free. If you want long-lasting protection for your truck bed with a rugged, non-slip surface, the Black Armour bed mat is a top-tier choice for work trucks, off-roaders, and daily drivers alike. That wraps up our list of awesome pickup truck inventions. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.